we don't have a long satchel and a pizza.
Yeah. You just put that right in there.
It took the Kilauea EP lava lake almost 60 years, or almost 40 years to
Yeah, they drilled that area 30 years after an eruption. Still had molten lava in it. This rock, the salt rock, is a very good insulator once it gets the crust on it. It can hold its heat inside itself for a very long time.
That makes it really good. You know blue rock, if you've ever tried to dig it, get away from it. Yeah. Sometimes it takes dynamite and all kinds of crap.
Look at that. Tell me that doesn't just look evil. Oh, that's awesome.
And so, right here, there's some major avalanches going on with a lot of volume. If you go on to YouTube, type in Pillow Lava, you can see our footage. And I mentioned that on the boat this morning. You know, this was your phone. I'm like, wow, right here. There's also another website that really learns a lot about the volcano United States Geological.
Fucking awesome. I don't care. It's worth it if I get a shot on this. See how warm it is? I gotta get my phone out. I want to take a picture with the phone so I can send it. Yes, I can. I think it's in the bottom. Here. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. Find it?
It's always fascinating seeing Mother Nature at work and also seeing fire and water in a natural environment. Very, very fascinating.
Son, you want to see this again? I'll put it on YouTube tonight. This is
So that vegetation